Hello and welcome to another Multimakes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Yay. I'm thinking... Sure, the scale and cubes hidden. Go with 3. Let's attempt this color capsule. Shift, right click, gives you origin point. Now do a shift here. You shall create a circle. Trees. So scale it down. Extrude scale again. To create that. I'll do plus, and we shall do a rotate X 45 degree. X. 22. That should be 22.5. Okay, so to do F scale side. That's the outside, and then one more, I think. So that's the gap. Extrude scale. I'll do one more. Right, so all. What face? I'm going to hide the scale and cube because as you try to snap this to the geometry, it snaps to the scale and cube instead. Really annoying. Right, so get these outside of there. You kind of suggest the best angle to snap it to be fair. What we can do though is just line that up in the center there. Go G, grab, Control, that snaps it to the surface, and then just press, keep your finger on Control, press Enter on the number pad. Go to 3, turn that on there, and then just move that up. Should still be on that surface. Turn that off and put that back. We'll leave it on there just for now in case. So now is select these. Plus go a normal. Out. Same with them. See, needed an extra one, believe it or not. Extrude Z Y X. I don't think that's the right way. Nope, didn't think so. Right, so line it up. J, Control, and do that. Take off project on to self. J, Control. There we go. Can't really get a decent picture of this, can we? So it's just have to make something up, I'm afraid. Don't like doing that. There you go. Just do it insert. Now insert. Subdeal. Smooth. Panel. Whatever was that movies? I don't know what to do with that. It's a bit of a tricky shape. It's middle mouse button to move in PRF. Oh, hang on. Could they just be extruded out? Z, put that back in. Extrude. Z, just a little bit. This gives a hint. I really don't like that. Didn't get that. That was. It looks a little weird. Well done. It's massive, doesn't it? Oh, no, don't go there. Size that one. No, don't go there. Well, on all shut down. Right, the images. Yep. Move to main. I think that looks okay, you know. Tell you what, let's put the paint on. That one. Black gloss. Black gloss. Still dull, isn't it? Me. Nearly there. I think what's going to be best to do is possibly reattach the doors to these ports and then just create a line for the shut line as if it was like a game model sort of thing. Anyway. So it's like I'm lining up for a thumbnail. We'll just leave it like that. Control S, save. I'll catch you in the next one.